Hi, I'm Stevie Saturn. Today I'm gonna actually do my first video of me fast forwarding, rewinding, and slow motion. I have a balloon. It's gonna be blown up by me, and I'm actually just gonna fast forward this part. So that's why it's called a fast forwarding video. Okay. Now we have my balloon blown up, so hopefully it doesn't roll into the grass, because something bad will happen if it rolls into the grass, and you gotta guess. Okay? Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
The poor cameraman wasn't ready, so he didn't record that part. It just recorded the knife falling, and you just saw the balloon pop.
Okay, I'm ready.
Now we're ready. Now the cameraman can actually do it now, and hopefully the balloon doesn't roll into the grass, because you know what happens when balloons touch grass. They disappear. Okay, so is anybody ready? Look it. Are you ready? Oh, that was so close. Did you see that? That almost hit the grass, but now I'm actually ready. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
And then you rewind it, and it looks like the balloon just pooped it out. It's just gonna be like, you just levitate. The balloon pieces will just come back together, and the knife will fly right back into my hands. This time, I have his favorite color. I think it is. Oh, it's pink. Well, anyways. I'm gonna get the knife and drop it. Is anybody ready for the one to stop moving? Because ow. That hurt. How did that happen? Rewind it, editor, please. No fair. With a little bit of movie magic, I turned the pink balloon into my not favorite color, orange. Are you ready? I just instantaneously did that. And you'll just see the knife fly back into my hand. You think we were done. We aren't. Because you think this is a normal balloon. Look at the size of it. This balloon is the size of my head. That's insane, right? I'm gonna start blowing up the balloon now. And here we go, the biggest balloon of them all. Well, well, well. I'm totally done.
Thank you for watching my show. I hope you liked the video.
Press the thumbs up button if you like my show. Press the thumbs down button if you don't.
And we're gonna have to clean up this place. It's a mess, and we want to help our planet. Who wants us to be fast forwarding this? Who? Comment down below, okay? Bye.